Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a wrestling fray, and welcome to what is a new segment. Even though this is a variation of Belting It Out, this is a new segment called IMR, Independent Maker Review. See, Belting It Out is mainly about unboxing belts, and I'm excited to get them. We hang them on the wall. Yeah. What IMR, the purpose of IMR is to show the actual quality of the belt or belt accessory that we are receiving today. So that quality is broken down into sections. It's price, communication, wait time, plate thickness, paint, leather quality, blemish check, and description accuracy. Therefore, that is a total of 8 points. So we are going to review a maker, and we're going to give that maker an IMR score. And whatever the IMR score is, it'll help others in the hobby be more confident in said maker if they choose to be. Or if the IMR score is low, then you know to steer clear of this person. Everyone who is a part of this segment or the person I'm reviewing, they were made clear of this, so they are well aware, so there will be no surprises. Today's IMR maker is Mr. Rámzáň Sandhu of Sandhu Leather. Now, see, today is not a belt. Today is just leather. It is leather that is supposed to eventually replace the WWE shop leather on this WWE Championship. So with it just being leather, we're taking out plate thickness, paint, and I'm not really gonna do a blemish check on leather. So the highest score Mr. Sandhu can possibly get is 5. Let's see if he can get all 5. Now, before we open the package, he has a chance to get 2 points now. Now, the price, I believe, was very fair. A replacement send-out leather strap, handmade, for $125. When you think about it, let's take Sandhu for example. Their real leather send-out, retooled and all that, is $200. So for him, this guy, to send this one out for 125, that is, that's not bad at all. So as far as price goes, you got 1 checkpoint, Mr. Sandhu. Alright, as far as communication, this order was put in literally less than 2 weeks ago. Communication has been very good. In fact, he hit me up yesterday asking did I receive the package that wasn't supposed to be here until tomorrow. Then it actually came today. I will say communication has definitely been top notch. So as far as communication, and actually we have a chance to knock out another one. Wait time, I told you. Everything took the span of 2 weeks, which, coming from Pakistan, is awesome. When you put your order in and get your order, everything happens in 2 weeks. That's like the best thing you can ask for. So as far as wait time, so far so good, Rámzáň. Now comes the real thing. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open the package. Now, here's the thing. This is not considering an unboxing or unripping. I opened the package in front of you guys to let you know that I'm not biased towards anybody or any product. I opened it in front of you so that you see the actual product that I'm reviewing, that I made no alterations or anything to it whatsoever. That being said, let's open this baby up. It right here. Smells just like leather. Oh, real. Now that it right there. Let's see. A friend of mine told me about the slap test, but I got my locks in the way. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Sandhu, on the quality, you were definitely not lying, and you got the same design of the background. You even got the WWE logo, and yes, just as I asked, you got the snaps. Thank you, I appreciate that. So, leather quality. That's good to go. Now, one more thing. How does it stack up to the actual sizing? Maybe if I hold it up the correct way, right? Well, let's just go ahead and get Mr. Stiffy here. That didn't sound right, did it? Alright. Look, I'm not used to WWE having leather like this, so yeah, you can tell this is definitely a good one. Yep, now while the shape is slightly different, it fits perfectly. Now here is a couple of things that I'm gonna add to this. Now this is a send out strap, so my idea was to unscrew all this, take everything off, and put it onto this strap. So I was looking for the holes down here to be here. There are no holes, but here's the thing. That wasn't in the description, nor did I ask for that. So therefore, Mr. Sandhu will not get a ding for that. So with that, this is great leather. I am super excited about this. So with that being said, Mr. Sandhu, you have earned a perfect 5 out of 5 IMR rating for your leather belt, sir. Now, this is great quality leather. You are great to work with, and you know that I'm probably about to hit you up tomorrow about a second one because I need one for this as well. So thank you so much, Rámzáň Sandhu with Sandhu Leather Sport. I'm leaving his page in the description of this episode. So yes. Now, I'm not gonna re-leather it now. You know what? Jimmy not doing nothing. I'll let him do it later. Anyway, now the thing I'm trying to do with IMR is a more serious take on those in the hobby. As you can tell, I have a lot of belts. You guys have been with me on this journey for about a year now. I got to the point where I want to start taking things more seriously, not just getting belts and doing a video on it. Actually, I want to shed a light on some of these makers. Now, I'm not talking about the ones that scam you and don't send you the belt. I want makers to know that their work can be trusted, or I want people to know that these makers' work can be trusted. But I also want them to know we will criticize them if anything is out of place. Like I said, I thought there would be holes in it, but I did not specify that. So, Mr. Sandhu, doing good. All right, thank you for tuning in to IMR. If you have any questions, any suggestions, with the future of IMR, just shoot to me in the comments, DM me. A lot of y'all are part of the groups I'm a part of, so just hit me up. Or you can hit me up on the Wrestling Fray. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, all that. And next time we should be doing the actual belt where we'll have 8 categories instead of just 5. All right, have a good night.